Hello guys, welcome back to BfBf. So I'm currently in the doll room. Wog is getting attacked still. We have all the contestants that made it safely through red light, green light. Now, we have to hurry this intro up because, that sink is about to flood, so cue the intro. Anyways. Everyone, through here. Howdy. What about the, contestants up for elimination? I'll deal with them in the flooded area. Just go. Okay, so I'm gonna sit here. Anyways, you guys are in the flooded area. It's where we put everything and store everything. It's all flooded now with the dirty, nasty, leafy sewer water. So, anyways, let's get on to the elimination. First one safe with 0 votes is Gonzalez. Go! And the one getting a prize, actually, is Bendy. We'll get his prize later. Also with 0 votes, Narwhale. Next up, with 1 vote, Bommy. Also with 0 votes, Stry. With 1 vote again, Prince. And now down to the final 3. Next one safe with 2 votes is Legend. Final 2, Granny and Gerald. The last one with the most votes will get drowned. Gerald, Granny, who's it gonna be? Guys, I really want to get eliminated from the show, but I don't know if now's my time. We both have 3 votes. This is scary. I don't want to drown, but I really don't want to do this anymore. This might be my only way out. Hope I'm eliminated.
Hey, I'm just a grandma. This is my only chance to rejoin, okay? I don't even have my legs. So please, you voted me. I'm not giving you any more cookies.
Well, Granny, I don't think you are giving any more cookies because Gerald is safe with 3 votes. Granny has 4. Get this raft out of here. Granny, goodbye.
Wait. Guys.
Bear, what have you done? Old lady, what do you think you're doing? I think it's way past your retirement. Get back in there. Granny, with 4 votes, now eliminated. Also, Bear, your prize is get better weapons. But before that, Bear, Bendy, and Gerald, I will get my revenge. I should probably get back to those other contestants, give them a challenge so they're not just there alone. Let's go. Okay, we are back. So, team, I'm so tired I need sleep has 2 members, and they're lazy, as you can tell. Mr. Moo, and Barry. Team, now's the time to do tricks. Now has only 3 members. 3? It's not right. Where'd Success Bear go? Anyways, Team What's a Good Name only has 3 members. Team The Buddies only has 3 members. Team Trick or Treaters only has 4. Team has 4. And Team also has 4. Now, you might be asking, why are some of the members gone? Besides Success Bear, I can tell you. All the eliminated contestants will temporarily be split into 2 different teams. This guy will be my helping host. Same with these frogs, they were rejected from the show. This guy will be the temporary host for this episode because I have some host business to do. So these 3 guys will be helping. Anyways, this bear gets to decide the names now.
Explosive Pointy Flying Dog.
Explosive Pointy Flying Dog. New team for now, only temporarily.
Baby Lazy Baby Inky Tall.
And Lazy Baby Inky Tall. So the objective for this episode is to find the valve to turn off the sink to stop it from flooding and surviving any water that and surviving any threats that could kill you. If you die, you're up for elimination. And your team lost Granny. She got eliminated. So, yeah. Finally. That thing was annoying. Anyways, I'd be careful because... Whoa! Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, this water is quite poisonous, so... I'd start to try to find that valve. Anyways, I'm off to my hosting business, so... Okay, I know you guys have a tendency of sleeping, but... Come on, if you sleep through this... Strawberry, if you sleep through this, that water could get you at any moment. Hey, also, you, host guy, can I have my new weapons?
Sure!
Sweet, a new sword and glitter. This will come in handy.
Whoa, guys, I've never really met you before. You're legend, right? The legend?
Yeah. And you're Narwhale, I guess, and, Bum.
Yup, that's me.
Yup!
You guys go, find that valve and survive.
Oh my, is this the land of rejected? Oh no. The valve might be in here, but we have to be very careful. What's that?
Hey. What do you think you guys are doing? My land. You're not even the owner of here. Calm down.
That's what happens when you try to hit me. I'm stronger than you think. I'm not just an ordinary rejected toy. Now you two, you're weak.
Come on, guys. Stay back. I'll get him.
You're so brave, huh? Guys, that water came in handy. Did it hit any of you guys?
No, I think I'm okay.
Let's get out of here. Hey guys, I say we look over here.
Go!
My hammer's still in this.
Okay, let's go this way.
Go!
Where'd they go?
Come on guys, you're following me, right? You guys okay? Guys! No! Wait, shut the door on me. No. Gerald, you're back there, right? Gonzalez? By any chance, Strawberry, if you're still awake? They went completely different ways. Whoa.
Squeak! Oh, it's just another contestant.
Oh, right, that's the land of the rejected. Oh well, I'm gonna look down this way. Gerald, be careful. We didn't even need Gerald anyways. Doesn't matter. We don't need you either, be quiet. I'm just going to sleep. I miss my sleeping friend, Strawberry. Come on, Barry, you can't just do that. I mean, I'm very tired too, but I've recently wanted to win very bad. So, come on. What's that up ahead, you? Barry, watch out. Well, what do you mean? There's nothing.
Well, that means he could Barry, just about lemonade and eliminations. Toilet paper.
Toilet paper rolls. Watch out. Come on. That water's dangerous. It'll kill you, and once you're dead, there's not a recovery center or anything. You're gone for good. And up for elimination. Barry, I warned you. I want to touch you now, just in case. Thank you for sleeping with me all those times. No! Barry! I'll remember you. Well, that was just a useless hallway. Granny? Didn't you get eliminated? Eliminate.
Hey, the big host, that dragon, I don't know where he went.
Colorfly, where'd you get that bear?
Oh, don't mind that.
It's just my friend. Yeah, my name is Healthy. I'm a bear. Yeah, and I get this thing. And we get enough. No more adding contestants, that's enough.
Another shark, seriously.
Hey, I'm a sharkle. I'm a shark and I can eat, yeah.
My name's Floppy and I'm a big bear. The biggest contestant here, haha.
You are so huge.
I think that's just because you're so small, Zombo.
Anyways, is somebody gonna tell Strawberry that there's water about to fall on him? Howdy, let's go. What? Wait. Water. Howdy. What the? Landfish? Strawberry? Oh god. Well, I guess I'm free. Wait, I have to help out a fellow member. I'm gonna get you, Landfish. Oh no, I'm stuck now. Wait, what's up? Oh no. Prince, Landfish, and Strawberry. They all disappeared. We have to find that valve, guys. Quick! Okay, team. We only have, well, 4 members technically, but... Hey, wait! When they get Gonzalez back, they'll have a team of 6. Same with them. And them. Hey, they picked a new member before I convert, so deal with it.
Good girl. Go. 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 What? Go.
Oh, Gonzalez! Come on, get this door.
Go.
Howdy, Gonzalez. I know we're on different teams, but let's get Bendy out.
Go.
Not so fast. Now you have to find 2 valves. Howdy. Gonzalez. We'll deal with them. Go. Get that door.
Go. Go.
I'm not just gonna let you pass.
Well, at least Gonzalez hit something down there to make that water stop. Anyways. Wait! Howdy. Come on, Bendy. Howdy. Bendy, you okay? Yeah, I think. Guys, we really have to go find Bear and tell him this is wrong. Howdy. Yeah, Bear's all the way back up. We're in the land of the rejected again. Howdy. Did you see that? Well, what was that? I don't know. Come on, guys, we just gotta get to Bear. Okay, why are we all in here now? Because budget cut. We had to switch rooms. Oh, okay. Jeez, I'm just gonna backflip over to here. Granny. What? That didn't sound too good, Colorfly. Come on, we have to find that valve. Guys, we have to hurry. Toilet paper roll magically disappeared, and our team's not the best. Come on, we're gonna go back upstairs and look for the valve. But wait, it's probably all flooded now. If you want to win, then go up. If you want to stay, then stay. Hey, I'm staying. Sounds scary. Hey, trust me. If we don't find this valve, Gerald's not gonna make it. Mr. Ball, if we don't find this valve, you're never gonna be able to go on your friend's team. Come on. Let's go, guys. Guys, we made it. See the valve? It's right there. Howdy. Come on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What do you think you're doing? We're gonna win the challenge. Someone's guarding it. That's right. I was rejected from your show. Guess who replaced me? Stupid old Granny. She's gone now anyways. But I am going to ruin this show. You want this valve? You have to go through me. And if you get splashed by this water, there's no coming back. Once you die in this room, it's for good. Guys, we're gonna have to work as a team here. Ha! Yeah. No, no, no. Guys scared? They just took out the strongest contestant we still have. If only Granny didn't just take Zombo, he would be able to get the valve. Guys, I think this is over. Unless... Mr. Bao! What are you doing? Got it, me too! Yoder! Oh. She doesn't know we're still here. Mr. Bao. Just me and you. Come get me. Now, time for these valves. First one.
Done. Just need one more. Howdy. Good job, that was smart. Wait. This is supposed to be a difficult show. It's not supposed to be as easy as this. Bear, what have you been doing this whole time? No one was ever meant to be BfBf. This is the last episode. Howdy, Bear. What happened to you? Yeah, I want Gerald to win. The mysterious disappearances of the characters, Granny going crazy, the rejects coming back, all me. What do you mean, Granny going crazy? Oh, you don't know? She's been capturing some of the contestants, and she got her legs back. What? Guys, I think it's that thing on his hip. Guys, we need to get it off of him. Oh no, don't tell me it's another reject. We'll save that valve for later. Hey, I know we're all competing against each other, but you guys look like you need some help. Been here a while. Come on. Yeah, let's get him. Pirate Bear! Howdy. Bear, take it off. This isn't you, Bear. They're frozen now. My light can't freeze them forever. Come on. Wait! Help! Help me! Yummy. Okay, my light's off. Wow. You guys are smart. But you guys aren't gonna last very long. I got him, guys. I got him. Come on. Hey guys, welcome to BfBf 4. So today we have to fix the sink. It is flooding and we need to find 2 valves. Oh, there's valves up here. Well, don't mind if I just help you guys out. All set, there we go. Now, that was a short episode. Short? Bear, you missed a lot. Whoa. Well, who's eliminated? Right over there. Oh. And who won? I don't know. I say Bendy won. After all, you're the one who took off this bracelet. Oh yeah, Strange, how'd that get here? Yeah, by the way, you should probably check on Granny. Granny? Wait. What? Granny! Oh, there's a door there. Hey! Oh no. I think we're locked in here, Howdy. Those other contestants, they better get Granny before Halloween. Oh no.
So viewers, vote on who you want to leave from Total Drama Plush.
Hey, this is BfBf. Go back to your off-brand work.
Hey, I'm the announcer. Get out of here. Take this to the... Ow! What are you trying to do? Wait a minute. What's that?
Shit.